Ugh, my alarm is so annoying. Well, I guess I'll go open the curtains. Well, the weather is perfect for a beach day. I guess I'll go wake up my sister. Mila, open the door. Mila? Oh, well, I'm coming in anyway. Mila, wake up! Mila.
What?
It's Saturday.
I know.
We have plans.
We've also got beds.
Kiara's coming over in an hour.
Well, why didn't you just say that earlier?
I wanted to see how long you would keep pretending to sleep.
I wasn't even pretending.
Sure, just get up.
Okay, you always rush me.
Let's just bring some light in this dull room. I'm gonna go make breakfast.
Good, because I'm so hungry.
Do pancakes sound good?
Do you even know me? Of course I want pancakes.
Okay, pancakes it is. You know you can help me, right?
I am helping.
Really, how?
I am supervising.
Oh, wow, that's so helpful, but I don't need your supervision.
Girl, you're acting like you didn't make the oven smoke up the other day.
That was once.
5 times.
The stain won't come off.
I'll get it.
Yeah, go get it.
Hey, girl.
Hi. Come in.
Sorry I was a bit late.
No, don't worry, girl. My sister just made breakfast.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, Kiara.
Hi, Leanna. And these pancakes look so good.
Don't compliment Liana too much. She will never stop talking about it.
Excuse me?
Well, after tasting these pancakes, they're actually delicious. Wait, Mila, are you gonna show me that bikini you bought the other day?
Oh my god, yay, let's go.
No, you guys, you need to help me clean the table this time.
Bro. I guess we should start cleaning.
Guys, I was wondering if you wanted to go to the beach today?
Sure, that sounds good.
Mila, how about you? Wanna come?
Sure. I haven't been to the beach in so long. Should we go get dressed?
Okay. What should I wear? This looks cute.
Okay, I'm done. This outfit is actually so cute.
I'm ready. My sister always takes so long.
Mine takes long too.
Wait, why didn't your sister come today?
She was busy.
Done.
Okay, let's go.
It's party time. Beach day, here we come. Yay, we're here. Guys, get out the car.
Wow, the weather is so nice.
I just want to get a tan.
This is so heavy. Did you guys just all forget about this big beach bag in the trunk?
Well, you remembered.
We should get a spot before it gets crowded.
Well, I call the best spot.
Of course she does. Well, let's go now. This is the life.
I just need to lay down my towel. Guys, we all should wear sunscreen first.
I was just about to go to the water.
Just use this sunscreen.
Thanks.
Bossy Liana is back.
Well, someone has to be responsible.
Not you.
Don't drop me.
No promises.
Let's do a race to see who can swim the fastest.
I know I'm gonna win.
Your confidence is crazy.
You're so bad at this.
Guys, let me join.